Then Scherzando is coming. So léger and mordant. That means light and with dots. Okay, so 2, 3, 2, 3. Like this. So the fingering maybe. Then you have the recall of the theme. One. With harmonic, it's nice. It's like also Ravel use. With expressive. And then Scherzando again. Pianissimo. Very little, a little bit spiccato. Like this. Two, one. One, two, one. Double stops. So it's a variation about this main theme. Okay.